Okay, so we scored a kayak. It's about a $1,500 kayak for less than 200, but it's been sitting in the backyard for a while, so I have to make sure that there's no crack, there's no leak. So I'm happy. And this is the kayak that we picked up. It's got a nice rudder in the back, so hopefully everything works, but it looks like there's some broken tie wrap, so we're gonna check it out. Hopefully there's no leak. That's the only thing. The other ones can be fixed easily. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the top. So it is a little dirty, but no problem, we can always clean it up. So hopefully there's no leak. So it's got the fishing pole, Scotty type fishing pole, where you stick the fishing pole in, and then it's got this rudder for, I guess, to stabilize it. Okay, and it looks like he got it from oceankayak.com. And now let's see what's inside here. This is a compartment. Oh. There's nothing here. There's some wires. This is probably for the this one. It looks like a fish finder, hummingbird fish finder. Okay, here's another thing for a fishing pole. And then let's see what's in here. This is another, oh, this is broken, that's fine. Let's see what's in here. Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, it looks like it's the seat. Yep, it's the seat. Padding. We can always clean it up. It's a little dirty. It's dirty down there. There's I think this is for the battery. So it's not bad. Just needs to be cleaned. And here's the paddle, so we can clean that up too. All right, let's go to work. Okay, let's put some water, make sure there's no leak, and clean the inside also. It looks like it's just some dust. Dust and some cobwebs. Okay, we're just rubbing the dirt off, but it looks like some of these dark spots are staying. It looks like they're stained. These black dots here, it's not coming off. I have to find something to take these dark spots out. Parang buti-buti. Right here, these dark spots, dark spots or black spots are not coming out, but that's okay. It doesn't affect the performance of the kayak. So we'll just do the best we can.